To customize lock screen on Poco X7, first we need to open a settings on our device. Then we can scroll down looking for the personalization, enter it, and click on your lock screen right here. Then move to Customize, which allows you to change multiple different things about your lock screen display. And we can first go for the emergency calls on the top. You can switch to different thing right here. For example, we can go for humidity. Then there's the clock. You can also customize how the clock will display on your lock screen. There's many different settings here that you can choose from, and the bottom is to enter a signature, so you can enter your name if in case you lose your phone somewhere, maybe somebody finds it and can find you with your signature. Then there's the option to change the wallpaper right here. You can apply different wallpaper effects as well, and there's also font effects that we can apply, which changes a color of our clock. And that is basically everything.